Which of the following is the largest organ in the human body? Your options are heart, liver, brain, and skin. And the correct answer is skin. The skin is the body's largest organ, serving various functions that includes protection, temperature regulations, and sensations, etc. The second question: what is the primary function of red blood cells, WBCs, which are also known as erythrocytes? Your options are immune defense, oxygen transport, hormone production, or digestion. The right answer of this question is B, and that is oxygen transport. Red blood cells are responsible for transporting oxygen from the lungs to body's tissues and organs. The third question: which of the following hormones is produced by the thyroid gland and regulates metabolism? Your options are insulin, estrogen, thyroxine, T4, or adrenaline. The correct answer is thyroxine. Thyroxine produced by the thyroid gland plays a central role in regulating metabolism. Question number 4. What is the primary function of the alveoli in the lungs? Your options are oxygen exchange, filtration of air, voice production, or food digestion. The right answer is A, and that is oxygen exchange. Alveoli are responsible for exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide during respiration. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a primary tissue type in the human body? Your options are epithelial, connective, muscular, or neuronal. The correct answer is neuronal. Neuronal is a tissue that is a kind of subtype connective tissue. The primary tissue types are epithelial, connective, muscular, and nervous. So the neuronal is a tissue which is a subtype of connectivity tissue. The question number 6. What part of the brain is responsible for regulating basic bodily functions like breathing and heart rate? Your options are cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, hypothalamus. And the correct answer is medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata located in the brainstem that regulates essential functions such as breathing and heart rate. Let's move on to the question number 7. Friends, if this video is helping you, then please comment and share your views. Your comment, your subscriptions help me to understand that I'm doing good content. Let's continue. What is the main function of the urinary system? Your options are blood circulation, digestion, exudation of waste product, or sensory perception. The right answer is C, and that is exudation of waste products. The urinary system primarily exudates waste products from the bloodstream as urine. Question number 8. Which hormone is responsible for regulating blood sugar levels in the human body? Options are insulin, estrogen, testosterone, or thyroxine. And the correct answer is insulin. Insulin produced by the pancreas that regulates blood sugar level by promoting glucose uptake into the cells. Question number 9. What part of the digestive system is responsible for absorbing the most nutrients from the food? Your options are stomach, small intestine, large intestine, or esophagus. The correct answer B, and that is small intestine. The small intestine is where the majority of the nutrient absorption takes place in the digestive system. Now question number 10. What is the primary function of the lymphatic system? Options are transport of oxygen, immune defense, digestion of food, regulation of body temperature. The correct answer B, and that is immune defense. The lymphatic system is primarily responsible for immune defense, including white blood cell production and pathogen removal. Question number 11. Which gland is often referred as the master gland because it controls many other endocrine glands in the body? So which is that gland? Your options are thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pituitary gland, or pancreas. And the right answer is pituitary gland. Pituitary gland in the brain controls several other endocrine glands, earning in the nickname that is called master gland. Question number 12. What is the primary function of the spleen in the human body? Your options are blood filtration, digestion, hormone production, or muscle contraction. The correct answer is blood filtration. The spleen functions as blood filtration organ that removes damaged blood cells and pathogens. Question number 13. Which part of the human eye is responsible for bending and focusing light onto the retina? Options are cornea, lens, retina, or sclera. The right answer is lens. The lens of the eye bends and focuses light onto the retina that enables clear vision. Question number 14. What is the primary function of the skeletal system? Options are blood circulation, movement, digestion, or vision. The right answer is movement. The skeletal system provides support and enables body to have movements. Question number 15. What is the main function of the respiratory system? Your options are blood filtration, food digestion, gas exchange, or muscle coordination. The correct answer is gas exchange. The primary function of the respiratory system is to facilitate the gas exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Question number 16. Which type of muscle is under voluntary control? Options are cardiac muscle, smooth muscle, skeletal muscle, involuntary muscle. And the right answer is skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscles are under voluntary control while cardiac and smooth muscles are involuntary. Question number 17. What is the function of white blood cells, leukocytes, in the human body? Options are oxygen transport, immune defense, digestion of the food, or blood clotting. The right answer is immune defense. White blood cells are primarily responsible for immune defense and fighting infections. Question number 18. Which of the following is not a component of the circulatory system? Your options are heart, blood vessels, lungs, or blood. The correct answer is lungs. The circulatory system includes the heart, blood vessels and the blood, but the lungs are part of the respiratory system. Right? Now let's move on to the question number 19. What is the function of the pancreas in the human body? Your options are regulation of the blood sugar, oxygen transport, immune defense, or muscles contraction. The right answer is regulation of blood sugar. The pancreas regulates blood sugar levels by producing insulin and glucagon. Question number 20. What is the primary function of the adrenal glands? Options are regulation of metabolism, blood filtration, fight or flight response, or temperature regulations. The correct answer is fight or flight response. The adrenal glands produce hormones involved in the body's response to the stress, the fight or flight response. Right? Question number 21. Friends, if this video is helping you, then please comment and share your views. Your comment, your subscriptions help me to understand that I'm doing good content. Let's continue. Which of the following organ is not a part of the digestive system? Your options are liver, lungs, stomach, or small intestine. The right answer is lungs. Lungs are part of the respiratory system, not the digestive system. Question number 22. What is the primary function of the esophagus in the human body? Your options are digestion of food, transport of air, transport of food from the mouth to the stomach, or immune defense. The right answer is transport of food from the mouth to the stomach. Friends, the esophagus' main function is to transport food from the mouth to the stomach. Question number 23. Which of the following is a hormone that is responsible for the regulation of sleep-wake cycles? Options are insulin, melatonin, thyroxine, or estrogen. The right answer is melatonin. The melatonin is a hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles and is produced by the pineal gland. Question number 24. What is the primary function of the gallbladder? Options are digestion of carbohydrates, storage of the bile, blood filtration, or immune defense. The right answer? Storage of bile. The gallbladder stores bile produced by the liver, which is released to aid in the digestion of fats. Question number 25. Which of the following is a part of the central nervous system, CNS? Options are spinal cord, peripheral nerves, somatic nervous system, or autonomic nervous system. The right answer is spinal cord. Spinal cord is the part of central nervous system that includes brain and the spinal cord. Question number 26. What is the function of the epiglottis in the human body? Options are regulation of body temperature, protection of the trachea, swallowing, production of gastric juices, or vision. The right answer is protection of the trachea during the swallowing. The question number 27. Which of the following is not a part of the male reproductive system? Options are testis, prostate gland, uterus, or epididymis. Options are uterus. The uterus is a part of female reproductive system. Question number 28. What is the primary function of the hypothalamus in the human body? Options are regulation of blood sugar levels, control of body temperature, regulation of the heart rate, or storage of nutrients. The right answer is control of body temperature. The hypothalamus plays a crucial role in the regulating body temperature among the other functions. Question number 29. Which of the following is not a function of the large intestine? Options are nutrient absorption, water absorption, formation of feces, or storage of undigested waste. Your answer is nutrient absorption. While the small intestine absorbs nutrients and the large intestine primary function include water absorptions and formation of feces. Question number 30. Which type of muscle is found in the walls of internal organs such as the stomach and intestine? Your options are skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle, smooth muscle, or voluntary muscle. The right answer is smooth muscle. The smooth muscle is found in the walls of internal organ and it is not under voluntary control. Question number 31. What part of the human ear is responsible for transmitting the sound vibration to the inner ear? Your options are eardrum, that is known as tympanic membranes, cochlea, vestibule, or auditory canal. Your right answer is eardrum, tympanic membranes. The eardrum vibrates in response to the sound and transmit these vibrations to the inner ear. Question number 32. Which of the following is not a function of the liver? Options are detoxification, blood filtration, metabolism of nutrients, or production of the bile. The right answer is blood filtration. While the liver has many functions, but blood filtration is primarily carried out by the kidneys. Question number 33. What is the function of the cornea in the human eye? Options are bending and focusing light, color vision, light absorption, hearing. And the right answer is bending and focusing light. The cornea helps to bend and focus light as it enters the eyes. Question number 34. What is the role of these semicircular canals in the human ear? Options are hearing, balance and spatial orientation, sound amplification, sound transmission. The correct answer is balance and spatial orientation. The semicircular canals are responsible for the detecting changes in the head position and maintaining balance. Question number 35. Friends, if this video is helping you, then please comment and share your views. Your comment, your subscriptions help me to understand that I'm doing good content. Let's continue. Which of the following is a function of the thymus gland? Options are regulation of blood sugar, immune system development, production of insulin, or regulation of the body temperature. Right answer is immune system development. The thymus gland is involved in the development of T lymphocytes and the immune system. Question number 36. Which of the following is not a function of the blood? The options are transportation of the oxygen and nutrients, immune defense, regulation of body temperature, digestion of food, or digestion of food. The correct answer is Digestion of food. Blood is not responsible for the digestion of food. It is primarily transports oxygen, nutrients, and plays a role in the immune defense and temperature regulations. Question number 38. What is the primary function of the trachea in the human respiratory system? Oxygen exchange, filtration of air, voice production, or airways passage? The right answer is airway passage. The trachea serves as an airway passage for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Question number 39. Which part of the human brain is responsible for higher cognitive functions that include reasoning and problem solving? Options are medulla oblongata, cerebellum, cerebrum, or hypothalamus. The right answer is cerebrum. The cerebrum is responsible for higher cognitive functions that includes reasoning and problem solving. Question number 40. What is the primary function of the adrenal medulla within the adrenal glands? Options are regulation of blood sugar, regulation of metabolism, secretion of stress hormones, or filtration of blood. The right answer is secretion of stress hormones. The adrenal medulla secretes stress hormones such as epinephrine and norepinephrine as a part of the body's stress response. Question number 41. What is the function of the Stauchian tube in the human ear? Your options are sound amplification, equalization of the air pressure, sound transmission, or hearing. The right answer is equalization of the air pressure. The Stauchian tube helps to equalize air pressure between the middle ear and environment. Question number 42. Which part of the brain is responsible for regulating hunger, thirst, and body temperature? Your options are cerebellum, cerebrum, medulla oblongata, or hypothalamus. The right answer is hypothalamus. The hypothalamus regulates various essential functions that includes hunger, thirst, and body temperature. Question number 43. What is the primary function of the gallbladder in the digestive system? Your options are digestive carbohydrates, storage of the bile, blood filtration, production of gastric juices. The right answer is storage of bile. The gallbladder stores bile produced by the liver, which aids in the digestion of fats. Question number 44. Which of the following is not a component of the endocrine system? Your options are adrenal gland, thyroid gland, spleen, or pancreas. The right answer is spleen. The spleen is not a part of the endocrine system. It is involved in the blood filtration and immune functions. Question number 45. What is the function of semilunar valves in the heart? Options are preventing backflow of blood into the ventricles, controlling the heart rate, pumping blood to the lungs, or controlling blood pressure. The right answer is preventing backflow of blood into the ventricles. Semilunar valves prevent the backflow of blood from the arteries into the ventricles of the heart. Question number 46. What is the primary function of the spleen in the human body? Your options are blood filtration, digestion, hormone production, muscles contraction. Right answer is blood filtration. The spleen functions as a blood filtration organs, removing damaged blood cells and pathogens. Question number 47. Which of the following hormones is produced by the pancreas and regulates blood sugar levels? Your options are glucagon, thyroxine, melatonin, estrogen. The right answer is glucagon. Glucagon produced by the pancreas raises blood sugar levels when needed. Question number 48. What is the primary function of the optic nerve in the human eye? Your options are color vision, transmit visual signal to the brain, adjust the shape of the lens, or controlling the pupil size. The right answer is transmitting the visual signals to the brain. The optic nerve transmits visual information from the retina to the brain for processing. Question number 49. Which part of the brain is responsible for coordinating voluntary muscles movements and balance? Your options are cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, or hypothalamus. The right answer is cerebellum. The cerebellum plays a key role in coordinating voluntary muscles movements and balance. Question number 50. What is the primary function of the pineal gland in the human body? Your options are regulation of blood pressure, production of insulin, regulation of sleep-wake cycles, immune system development. The right answer is regulation of sleep-wake cycles. The pineal gland produces melatonin, which helps regulate sleep-wake cycles. Friends, hope this content helped you. If it is, then please share your comments in the comment section. That really inspires us to bring good content for you. And rest of questions, that are 50, we will see in the next part of our video. If you like this video, then please do like and subscribe our channel. And please visit our channel for more content about nursing and medical related. Till that, take care and have a great time.